In the heart of the Sahara, Egypt evolves, a land where the wisdom of the past dances with the light of the future. Our legacy is eternal. The wisdom of the Nile flows through me, but the future is my domain to shape. Our cities must honor the gods and the earth. With technology, we can make the desert bloom. Under the gaze of their pharaohs, the people rejoice. The past is alive, the future is radiant. Innovation fuels prosperity. Let us harness the sun, as Ra intended. Together, we honor our ancestors and dream of the stars. Egypt shall be eternal. From our roots springs innovation. Learn from the past to light the path forward. The desert tests us, but we endure. The strength of Egypt is eternal. In the land where past meets future, the pharaohs lead us to a destiny as boundless as the desert and as eternal as the Nile.